You hear me talk about Mailbox Power pretty frequently, and I had a request from one of my viewers to make a video on how exactly I use Mailbox Power in order to nurture my client relationships, and that's what I'm bringing to you today. If that's something that interests you, be sure to stick around because we're going to get after it right now. If this is your first time to the channel, my name is Amanda. Welcome. I'm glad you're here. I teach other real estate agents how to build their business without ever making a cold call. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and tap that bell for notifications so that you'll never miss a video. So as I mentioned, today I'm sharing how I use Mailbox Power to nurture my client relationships. And I have 4 ways that I consistently use Mailbox Power every single month. First up is home anniversary. I always send my clients a card and a little treat from Mailbox Power when their home anniversary comes around. It doesn't matter if it's their 1st or their 5th. I always reach out with something when it's time for a home anniversary, and I will show you all. I'll cut over to Mailbox Power to show you what I send. I do a greeting card and then typically brownies, but if I know if someone has an allergy or anything like that, I'll do some other type of treat with it, maybe some tumblers. It really just depends on my relationship with the clients. But Mailbox Power is so easy, and I schedule their home anniversary send out typically within the 1st or 2nd week of the month. That way it's all done for that entire month and I don't have to revisit it. You can just schedule the order to go out when it gets time to be their actual home anniversary. The next way that I use Mailbox Power to nurture my clients is I send them a jumbo postcard that is a market update specific to their neighborhood. And I do this anywhere from 3 to 4 times a year. And what I also do is I use this to supplement the video home value update that I send them twice a year. The video home value updates take quite a bit longer than sending out these postcards, so it's not something that I can do more than twice a year for my whole database. But Mailbox Power is a great way to supplement while still delivering that local information that your clients are actually interested in. I've found over the years that a blanket approach to sending out market updates really doesn't work. So I don't like to do them for, say, all of Northern Virginia or all of Alexandria. I want my clients to know that this is personalized information specific to their home. So what I do is go back 6 to 12 months in the MLS, just depending on how much data is available. And then I set this jumbo postcard up. I have a template at this point. I purchased one through Mailbox Power. I think it was like $2 or $3. It was very affordable. And I just keep reusing that because that creates that visual recognition with your clients. They're expecting it. My clients, typically I hear from at least 4 or 5 people saying, hey, thanks so much. I'm always curious of what my home value is. And Mailbox Power is a great way to do that. What I will do is break things out. If you have a lot of past clients in your database, then I can't do all of mine in one day. It would just be overwhelming. So I set a goal for myself when it's time for these to start going out. I will set anywhere from 5 to 7 up each day. And typically within a month's time, I've knocked everybody out that I want to have one of these jumbo postcards with their market update. Another way to use Mailbox Power to nurture your client relationships is keep an eye out on social media. I recommend establishing your relationship with your clients online too, and then watch for what's going on in their lives, whether it's a special event or an occasion. Keep an eye out for what's happening in your clients' lives, and then send them a little gift or a card to say, hey, congratulations, or a sympathy card or a birthday card, anything like that. A big one that I've had success with is if they've had a baby or if they have a child that has just graduated, I send the parents a congratulation note, sometimes a little gift depending on my relationship. But then I always send something to the graduate as well to say, hey, congratulations, best wishes on your next chapter. And you can personalize these as well. Social media is a great way to get personal photos for your clients. You can just download them off of Facebook, or if you need to, you can always take a screenshot on Instagram. and then make something custom for them. Coffee mugs, I don't know very many people that don't enjoy coffee mugs. Mailbox Power has very reasonable prices for these gifts, and it's a great way to show that you're in tune with your clients' lives. It's not all real estate, all business, and you're just reaching out to show that you care. The last one is using Mailbox Power to announce a client event. And I do this through postcards or greeting cards, just depending on what the event is. As an example, if you do, say, a pie giveaway, Mailbox Power is a great way. You can create a postcard or really create it in Canva or have somebody do it for you and then upload it into Mailbox Power. Then you can select everybody that you want it to go to and get that postcard out. It takes, I don't even think it takes me 10 minutes once I have the piece of mail that I'm going to be sending out. I just go into Mailbox Power, click on whichever people I want it to go to, and then off they go. This works really great if you do like a pie giveaway at Thanksgiving. You can set the card up so that they know where they should respond if they are interested in a pie and what type of pie they would like. And then you just have your clients responding back to you or to your admin, however your business is set up, so that you can track and determine how many pies you need. Same thing if you're hosting a client event, say a happy hour or something at a winery. For those, I do a greeting card because I think it's a little more upscale for an event like that. But it's the same premise. Have them respond to you, put an email in the card that they should send their RSVP to, and then you can get your head count to determine what you need to do for your event and then prepare the venue for how many people are coming. It's such an easy way to do a mass mailing, and I don't recommend these pre-written cards for like holiday cards or anything like that. I do handwritten for that. But for something like a client event where you're just trying to get an invite out, or something that clients are going to be stopping by to pick something up if it's holiday time or if you do something else, Mailbox Power is a great way to accomplish that in a short amount of time. If you got some value from today's video, be sure to drop me a comment below or give me a like. And if you have any questions about Mailbox Power and how to utilize it in your real estate business, feel free to drop me a comment below as well. And until next time, I hope you take care.